Welcome to MEXICOREan traveling. This time I want to talk about my beautiful city, which is Colima. Mexican cities are most of the time well by their beautiful gardens and beautiful cathedrals or churches. So Colima is not the exception. So this is one of the principal gardens. It's called Jardín Núñez. Also one of the main church is this one in front of it. It's called La Merced. So it's also really nice. And also in front of it we have the Palacio Federal. So it's all really nice. So kind, so easy. A lot of places to visit. And also you have a lot of recreation places. Also if you feel so hot, you know, you can visit the fountain. It's so really refreshing and also so really nice because the weather here is so hot, especially in summertime. So let's go. Come on.
No me gustó, ya no me la pagó, ¿sale? Dale. ¿Cuántas? 30. ¿Usted no va a querer ver?
So if you feel thirsty, tuba is really nice. It's really typical Colima drink. Okay, here is the main plaza of Colima. It's surrounded by four portals. So it's really amazing and so interesting because it's also surrounded by different bars and restaurants. If you're hungry, if you're thirsty, it's so nice because here's where all people concentrate and come here. So to this point is the cathedral. This is really nice.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you reading? Oh my god, so interesting. Yeah. No, it's just a joke, don't worry.
So Colima is really relaxing, really quiet city. It's also really safe. So that's why you can be all the time or any time in the street. So the gardens are so beautiful, also so fresh. A lot of nature, a lot of trees. Also, most of the time, gardens in the center are decorated by a kiosk. So kioscos is like a really, how do you say it? Like an icon. It's like an icon from cities in Mexico. All cities in the main gardens, in the center, they have like a kiosk like this. All cities. Hey, we're in another nice place in Colima. It's called the Flagstone Park. It's really nice because there are a lot of tradition and a lot of history. You know what? Because the tradition and the history says that the volcano eruption through this flat stone and it's come here in Colima. So the tradition says like if you slide in this road, you're always gonna come back to Colima. Or at least you're gonna visit it sometime. So what do you think? Let's go slide? So also, if you're hungry, there is also a little restaurant here inside the park and really close to the flat stone. It's really delicious because typical food like a tortas or tostadas or also raspados. So come on, let's go eat because I'm so hungry. we are ready here to eat. So we ordered like tacos tospeños. Ah, so nice. It's nice because it's beans and meat. They're so delicious, so typical food from here. So let's gonna eat. Yeah. Also torta. Look at this, so delicious. It's like a crunchy bread, also full of pork and panela cheese. It's also so delicious. Really typical Mexican food. Let's gonna try how this is. So good.
Two, three.
안녕하세요. Welcome to the MEXICOREA channel. Sorry.